Hi guys, this is Maduba John from MJCdesigns. Welcome to today's tutorial. This is another series of A to Z modeling. Today I'm going to show you guys my workflow on how I created this model. Now this model's plan has been drawn and the elevation has been drawn too. Like we have two elevations, the front and the side. I'm going to model exactly what was drawn. But before I proceed, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button so you don't miss videos whenever I post a new video. Now let's get started guys. So guys, here we are with our model, the elevation. So we're going to start by getting the measurement of the slab and the height of the ceiling height using our measurement tool. So we're trying to place our dimensions to see the actual height of each levels so that we can model exactly what was drawn. So as you can see, I'm using the dimension tools to get it done so that I don't have to make any mistake in terms of the levels. So you're going to go to the level by the right hand side navigator and change the levels, and then we go to slab, put our value of the slab, which is 450, change the material in the model surfaces, and then we draw. So I'm trying to draw the slab right now, the slab of the building, which is 450. So the next thing I do is go to the wall settings and change the layer. The layer is okay, and then we go to the settings, change the thickness, wall thickness, and the wall height. In most cases, I like to use the non-link. Okay, I just prefer using that, and in some cases I'll just use the normal one, as in so we go about tracing the walls of the AutoCAD drawing. Okay, so first of all, we are trying to get the form of the building. Okay, so that's how I start my work. I'm trying to get the form of the building, especially if I'm modeling with an AutoCAD drawing. So I just get the form of the building first. So as you can see, we are just focused on the exterior wall because that's what we actually do. We are not going to retrace everything. We are just going to trace the walls that are likely to show in the exterior. So as you can see, I'm focused on whatever will show on the exterior. So let's see what we have in our 3D, and this is just what it looks like. Simple, right? But we have a long way to go. So now this is the second floor, and we are going to suspend our group. Okay, then because I want to copy that plan to the next level, so we just go to the next level, right, and then paste and then put it in the right position. Try to check, you turn on your trace trace and try to check where it has been placed on your ground floor. You can use your stair position to check, or the outline created on the ground floor to check. So I think I just placed it in the right position, and that's it. So I'm still going to do the same thing on the second floor. Paste and then take it to the rightful position. Okay, and check if it is okay, and if it is okay, you are good. Okay, so just try to check if it is at the rightful position, and if you're good with that, then you're good to go. Okay, so I think we are good. So the next thing is you go to the top floor, which is the first level, and then you create the slab for it. Okay, you create the slab for it. I'm trying to trace the slab by using, I just created the rectangular slab. Now I'm using the subtract option in our pet palette to remove what we don't need, and using the add polygon to remove add what we actually need. So you can play with those tools in your pet palette. And then I'm going to go to the wall, select the wall, and then start tracing the first floor. Okay, I'm tracing the exterior walls. So I'm going to copy the walls and the slab I created on the first floor to the second floor, and then I'm going to try to adjust the walls just the way it is on the second floor. So I don't want to trace everything all over again, so I just copied and pasted the wall from the first floor to the second floor, and then I'm going to try to adjust the walls that are needed to be adjusted. Okay, and then connect the walls that are supposed to be connected. So it happens that the left side of our building, from the first floor to the second floor, is the same with the right side of the building. That's the left front side. Okay, so you're going to see, as far as we go, we're going to see how it was done. Trying to connect the walls, the exterior walls. As you can see, that place is a terrace, so there's no need to be wall. We don't need to have a wall there. Now this is the form of our building. In my next video, I'm going to show you guys how I placed my windows. Thank you for watching.